Catch 'em all.
Alright guys, so hopefully this shows up pretty good for you. So what I wanted to show you real quick, a lot of times, you have the microphone, well, you have desktops and laptops. Desktops don't really have microphones, laptops do. So if you want to use this for your desktop, you could do so, but you could also use this for a laptop in case you wanted to supplement and get maybe some better quality sound or something closer to you. So you can see I got my laptop right here. I just opened this box, so I'm showing you basically from start to finish, kind of an unboxing, I guess, if you will. So very well packaged, good padding. Nothing too special on the box, but you do have a QR code and some information provided on this side here. You have a USB interface for this PC Condenser Microphone. It is omnidirectional, and since it's USB, it's pretty much just plug and play. Very simple. It does include a little user manual in the event that you need that, and so that you can see it, there are some rubberized feet on the bottom. Helps it keep from sliding and won't scratch. It is very lightly weighted, so it's not super heavy, but you do have the flexibility, and it's not going to fall over. You have an indicator LED, and you have the button here so you can turn it off and on. And then you do have, of course, the cover, which is going to help with when you're speaking. You don't have certain sounds that are picked up. It kind of blocks it out, sort of a wind noise type of a setup there. So what I'm going to do real quick, if I can see the screen here, is show you how easy it is to use. The sun is blinding me a little bit, so bear with me. Open up the voice recorder. Okay. Alright, so I've got that open. So real quick, this is a test of the onboard microphone recording as an example for comparison. Alright, so we stop that. And let's see if I can play this. This is a test of the onboard microphone recording as an example for comparison. Alright, so that was the onboard microphone. Now, let's plug this in. Let's see if I can get this in there. Alright. So, plugged it in. Push the button. Got the green light. You heard it detected. Alright. So, it says setting up a new device in the bottom right hand corner. I don't know if you can see that. I'll try to open that up. Maybe you can see. Bluetooth and other devices. So you got the different devices here. It's picking up. And here is the USB audio device, which is this microphone here. So, again, bear with me. The sun is blinding me. I guess I didn't pick the best possible place to set up. Alright, so let's try recording and see if we are microphone settings. Alright, so it looks like we are good to go with the microphone settings, I believe. Let's hit record, and the microphone, hopefully you can see, is right here, so it's going to be sitting pretty close to the same. Now the benefit of this, of course, is that you can move it around where you can't move the one on the laptop, which is the point, I think, of having something like this, is to be able to move it around, get it closer to whoever it is speaking, or if you have a group sitting around a table, you can kind of sit this in the center since it's omnidirectional, and you can kind of do that depending upon what setup you're looking for and what your budget is, because this is very affordable, but you may not be able to afford a very expensive microphone or multiple microphones. You may need an omnidirectional microphone so that you can kind of pick up a little bit of everything Alright, so let's try, hopefully, and record from this one. I think that's how it's set up. Alright, so now we're doing a second recording, this time hopefully utilizing this microphone. So let's do this. See if we picked up me smacking the microphone, so we can guarantee in playback you should hear that and know that that's the difference, so you can compare the two. Okay, so stop. And play. Alright, so now we're doing a second recording, this time hopefully utilizing this microphone. So let's do this. See if we picked up me smacking the microphone, so you can guarantee in playback you should hear that and know that that's the difference, so you can compare the two. Okay, so stop. Alright, so hopefully you were able to hear that really well. I was able to hear it here very, very well, and I will say it was very, very clear. There's no background hums, hissing, pops, cracks, none of that type stuff. So now I'm going to do one more recording. This time I'm going to move it closer to my face, which would be the main point, but I wanted to give you sort of a more direct comparison. Now, the laptop mic, I believe, is located here near the webcam for this laptop, and the microphone was here, so technically this was a little further away, and I don't know if you could discern from the video, but there was a slight variation, and it was just a little bit different on which one sounded a little bit closer, but both very clear. So now I'm going to move this over, put it right in front of my face, and do one more recording. Also, take note, when you push this button, it kind of turns off. It's not really a mute button, but it is a power button. You can see by the power indicator, so that's really cool. And with this 45-inch cable, you do have a lot of adjustment and range as far as placement goes. So I'm going to place it basically in front of my face the same way I would sort of a podcast type of a scenario. And let's do one more recording real quick. Alright, so this is another recording with the microphone. Last time, this is up close. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what you can expect. Check out the link below if you want to read more, find out more about this microphone. Okay? Thanks for watching. Alright, so this is another recording with the microphone. Last time, this is up close. Hopefully that gives you an idea of what you can expect. Check out the link below if you want to read more, find out more about this microphone. Okay? Thanks for watching.